The next one is transfer fund. What is the purpose of transfer fund? Under transfer fund, we can transfer fund or money from one bank account to another bank account. Click on this one. Let us say, for example, we want to transfer money from our cold bank account to, we can say, our AIB bank account. If you want to transfer money from one bank account to another bank account, for one asset account to another asset account, so you can use from this section. When you click on this one, it shows the balance in the Cobble Bank, and also it shows the balance in the AIB Bank. How much you want to transfer from a, this is the amount, this is the transferer, and this is the transferee. So transfer fund from and transfer fund to, right? So from which bank account you want to transfer? So we want to transfer from Cobble Bank to AIB Bank. How much you want to transfer? Let us say I want to transfer 2,43,060.36.1. I want to reduce this amount into how much? Into 20 lakh or 2 million, right? Save and new. Now the balance of this bank decreased how much? This much. And definitely the balance of this bank increased to 34 lakh, something like that. Again, if you want to transfer from that bank account to this bank account, you can do the same thing, right? No problem. From AIB, you can transfer to this account. How much you want to transfer? For example, I want to transfer 1 lakh, right? You can save and close. This is the amount. But usually we use this section for the purpose of transferring funds from main bank account to our checking account, or we can say from main bank account to our PT cash account, right? For the purpose of creating a PT cash, so either you can create it from here, or otherwise you can go from the chart of account, you can create it. This is also chart of account. So if you want to create a PT cash account, what is the PT cash? You may know what is the purpose of PT cash. There are two types of PT cash book. There are two types of cash book in the business. One type of cash book is called main cash book, and the main cash book is used for the purpose of extra or large payments and receipts. But on the other side, business people have the PT cash book as well, and the PT cash book is used for the purpose of small payments, right? So in order to make a payment through your PT cash, first of all, there should be some money available into your PT cash book, right? So you can select, first of all, you have to create this one, go for the next. One more thing, you have to remember that PT cash book or PT cash should be created under your bank account in the QuickBook, right? Mention PT cash book. PT cash, yes, okay, PT cash. Save and close, do not give any balance to this account. Save and close this one. Now, do you want to transfer to this account? There is no balance. Yes, we want to transfer. How much you want to transfer from this bank? We want to transfer amount of 2 lakh to this bank account. How much transfer? 2 lakh. Save and close. Now, if you select your PT cash, how much is transferred? 2 lakh gets transferred to this, right? So this was the purpose of